Hi guys, welcome back to eVlogs Everything. Welcome to my office. Today I'm gonna do unpackaging video, so to say. So I ordered these posters. I'm gonna do up the wall on that side. I'm gonna do up this whole poster wall thing, and I was looking for poster suppliers, stores. So I found Crooked Poster on Shopee first. They led me to their Instagram handle, and then I checked them out on Instagram, and they also do custom-made posters. A4 sizes, A3 sizes, A1, A2. They even do framing stuff. I'll show you guys later on. But I'm gonna show you what I ordered. This is not the first time that I'm purchasing from them, so I already know that it comes with a really cute note. I purchased another set before this. Every one of the orders come with this little love letter from them. It's from their team. It says, "My dear friend, blah 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 blah. Best regards, the Crooked team." So that's very nice of them. I like people that personalize their packagings when they send it to their customers or whoever purchases from them, and they give me this cute sticker. So this one is kira macam their free gift like that. So the first one I have for you is Miss Kehlani, Kiana Lede, Georgia Smith, more Kiana Lede, more Georgia Smith, and then we have my personal favorite. We have Miss Jenny Aiko, more of Miss Jenny Aiko. I picked all of these pictures, googled Jenny Aiko, Georgia Smith, Kiana Lede HD, and then I downloaded it and I sent it to them on a Drive link. It's very simple. You just reach out to them, hit the link in their Instagram, drop them a text saying how many posters you want made, and then you send them the pictures that you want. You either send it to them on their Telegram group, they have a Telegram chat with their number, or send them a Drive link like I did, because I had like 12 photos that I chose from, so I just sent them a link to the Drive, and I'm very happy with the quality. Look at it. So if you buy from them on Shopee, it's 5 ringgit per poster, and then you have to add on the shipping price and all that. So what I previously ordered from them was this. I actually was looking for Tupac posters. This one, and these two. This is in addition to my already existing Tupac poster collection. And I also ordered an Eminem one. It says my name is, I'm pretty sure everyone's seen the artwork before, but I bought that for Ephraim, so that's for his studio. This was my initial purchase. That's when I found them on Instagram, and then I found out that they make custom posters. So if you buy the already existing designs that they have, it's 5 ringgit per piece. But if you give them a custom made one, so meaning that you choose a picture and then you send it to them and they print it for you, it's RM8 each. Really happy with the result. Actually, it's printed on craft paper. This brown paper gives you that very vintage-ish vibe, vintage-ish look. I'm happy that it's printed on craft paper, which is why I bought it from them in the first place. So if you're expecting like a clean white print, this is not the store for you, because it's craft paper. This is the original picture, and this is the printout. Original picture, the printout. I'm happy with results. Also, their customer service is amazing. Okay, so this person that I was dealing with from the Crooked Poster, they're so friendly, they're so nice. They really know how to deal with their customers. They have really good customer service, and they're based in Kuantan, if I'm not mistaken, because I saw the shipping and it was shipping from Kuantan. Currently, they just released Kendrick Lamar, A$AP Rocky, Ariana Grande, and I think it's Taylor Swift. That's a new series of posters that they just released. Check that out if you are fans of Kendrick Lamar or A$AP Rocky or Ariana Grande. I regret not buying a week later, because then I would have added some of those. And the packaging, you're sending me paper, but it's still so crisp and so nice. It arrived to me in one piece. It wasn't folded or anything, so I'm happy with that. Thank you so much, Crooked Poster. You guys are amazing. I really like the customer service, but I already told you guys that. Thank you for the posters. It's really nice. I'm really happy with the colors, the quality. So yeah, bye!